Hi friends, it's Suzanne here from sunstampin.com. I'm a Canadian Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I want to welcome you to my weekly Wildcard Wednesday video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are a little more technique driven, but nothing too complicated. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Pocket Full of Happiness stamp set. I'm using that for the sentiment. I'm also going to be featuring the Peaceful Poppy elements. These are watercolor pieces, they're vellum pieces, there's black die cuts, and then there's some poppies. And then I'm going to use the Peaceful Poppies Designer Series paper. So I have 2 pieces of cardstock here, Whisper White. That is going to be my card base. I just wanted to show you that I basically cut a 4-inch strip of my 12 by 12 paper, and then I cut a little bit of the white off for this particular card, and then I cut a little bit of the green off for this particular card. So there's a little bit of a variation, but one has more stem and one has more sky. And I thought I was going to use the little bits of pieces of paper, but I ended up not. So what I'm doing here is I have my mini dimensionals and I am adhering them to the vellum poppies. Now these are pre-printed, like almost white embossed poppies that come with the Elements kit, and they're lovely, and the mini dimensional actually fits perfectly behind the white bit, so yeah, it works out perfectly. So here I am stamping with Stays On ink, and I'm going to be punching out with the Label Me Lovely punch. You'll find that on page 41 of the mini catalog. It's a really nice punch, actually. It has a good size to it, and it's not as boring as a circle or a square. So it's kind of halfway in the middle. I actually was going through my file folders, and these make nice file folder tabs as well. All right, I'm using a dauber, and I think this was Flirty Flamingo. I'm pretty sure. And I just sort of scratched the edge of the dauber onto my die or my punched out piece to just give it a little bit more zhuzh, you know? Sometimes it was just a little too white. And then I've attached my sentiments right to the card, and that is my share for today. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I'll catch you again next time. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.